Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
And a good Tuesday evening to you, Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum here. We are looking at still some chance for some strong, borderline severe storms this evening, all thanks to a cold front coming in. We do have that level 1 risk for some severe weather across the area. If there is a storm, it does have the potential to produce maybe winds up to 60 or so miles per hour. So we'll keep an eye out for that as we head throughout the rest of the evening hours. That chance for rain will decrease here after 9 o'clock, and then really looking at some dry weather overnight tonight as low temperatures get down to the upper 60s to lower 70s, and the upper 60s to the north as a front moves in, 70s south. Still a little bit muggy initially here, but tomorrow afternoon the humidity drops, temperatures from the mid 80s to around 90 degrees tomorrow. So going to be a hot but less humid day. How about that? So that's what we're talking about. Numerous storms this evening giving way to less humid air as a front comes in tonight. Hot, dry weather Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for the 4th of July. Looking pretty good. Headed to the weekend, a hot, more humid day, especially on Sunday with maybe a shower, all thanks to a system trying to develop along the coast. But you can see the humidity goes from the dangerous levels back down to muggy levels. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, creeping back up for the weekend, but still not as bad as it has been, but definitely will feel the stickiness out there. Chance of rain also going down. How about little to no rain Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, into Saturday? A little bit there Sunday, a little better chance Monday, but overall most of you will stay dry finally over the next 7 days. For the World Police and Fire Games tomorrow, we're looking at 78 at 9 a.m. 87, no storms expected. Pretty good for all the events going on. That continues into the next couple of days. So you'll still see a few of those showers and storms this evening. By 11 o'clock, most of them are out of here. Tomorrow morning, we're looking at a partly cloudy sky and still a bit muggy, but as our front moves in, tomorrow maybe 1 or 2 rogue showers south of I-20, but that would be about it. And as we head into Wednesday evening, looking pretty good, continuing on into Wednesday night with a mainly clear sky into Thursday. And then we're talking about some dry weather out there. A couple of high clouds on Thursday as that northerly flow brings in the less humid air all the way through the evening hours there. So still looking pretty good. What about for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 4th of July weekend? How about hot? 92, 94 degrees out there. Humidity low Friday, going back up Saturday, especially Sunday with little to no rain expected for the upcoming weekend. And if you're headed down to the tropics, well, we do have an area we're watching there off the coast of Florida. Could impact maybe the Carolinas. Would send some increasing humidity to us, but nothing tropical for our area. How about the beaches? Still a little bit moderate risk for rip currents tomorrow morning. After that, it's low, but look at that. Looking pretty nice at the beaches as we head to the 4th of July here across the Alabama coastline. So recapping here, less humid tomorrow, and it stays that way for Thursday, Friday into the weekend. And then there's the humidity creeping up from that system, though. You can see the 4th of July actually supposed to be Friday there, but overall looking pretty good. And that's a look at your weather around the clock.